What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can run Android 16 with the Play Store support on your Windows 11 operating system. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, right now you can see my computer screen, and first of all we have to check that our virtualization setup is enabled in our computer. To check it, right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. Then select this process, performance, and from here select CPU. Then scroll down, and here you can see the virtualization is enabled. If you don't have enabled the virtualization, then you have to go into your BIOS, and from here you have to enable the virtualization. Then after that you have to go to your browser and search for Android Studio. Then go to this first website. Then click on this Download Android Studio button. Then scroll down, accept the license agreement. Then again click on this download button. And it should start downloading the Android Studio installer or exe file on your computer. It's gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the downloading has been completed. Here you can see the size of this file is 1.3 GB. So you have to wait until it gets completely downloaded. Okay guys, so downloading has been completed. Now open up your downloads folder, and here you will find the Android Studio installer exe file. You have to double click on it to install this application on your computer. Then click on next, 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 install. And it should start installing the Android Studio on your Windows 11 computer. It's also take a while, so you have to wait until the installation gets completed. Okay, so installation has been completed. Now click on next, then click on finish, and it should start the Android Studio application. From here click on don't send, and here you will get the welcome screen of your Android Studio. Now click on next, keep it standard installation, then click on next, then next, accept the license agreement, then click on next, and it should download the requirement component on your Windows operating system and install it. It's also take a while, so you have to wait until the downloading gets completed. When the downloading components get completed, you will get this type of screen. Now from here click on finish, and it will open up again the welcome screen of Android Studio. Now from this screen click on more actions, then go to SDK manager. Then from here select Android SDK, and from here you can select the Android version. Here you can see by default it selects Android 16.0 and API level is 3.6.0. You can go with the default, but for more updated version I'm gonna select Android 16.0 with 36.1 API level. Then click on apply, then click on OK, and it should start downloading the SDK components or the Android versions of 16.0. It also gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the downloading and unzipping get completed. When the installation get completed, click on finish, then click on OK. Now again go to more actions, click on virtual device manager, allow this ADB pop-up, then click on this plus icon. From here select the tablet, then select the Pixel tablet, then go to next, then from here select API 3.6.1 and select Google Play Store and select Google Play Intel x86-64 Atom system image. Then click on additional settings, scroll down, then from here increase the internal storage. I'm going to give it, let's say, 32 GB. Then I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to increase the RAM to 16 GB, and I'm going to increase the VM heap size to 500 MB. Also I'm going to increase the CPU core to 5. Then click on finish. And now on this device manager you will see another option called Pixel tablet. Click on it, then click on this play icon, and it should start the Pixel tablet on your desktop computer with the Android 16 operating system. Here you can see the tablet, and now it's gonna take a while to completely boot to Android 16 operating system and get the home screen. Here you can see the Google logo. And guys, here is the Android 16 operating system home screen. Now scroll up to get all the applications. Also, you can scroll down to get the quick setting options. If I go to settings, then scroll up and go to the about. Here you can see we have the Android 16 as operating system of this emulator. Also, if you want to use Play Store, click on Play Store, then sign in with your Gmail account, and you will be able to install all type of application from the Google Play Store on your computer. So guys, that's how you can run Android 16 operating system with the Google Play Store support on your Windows 11 computer. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.